Welcome to Marketing Video Production. And how to find programs that you can use to produce your own videos. In a moment, I am going to show you the best free programs you can use to help produce quality videos that can be used for your business, vlogs, volunteer work, or anything you can imagine. Stay with me, it will be worth your time.
Once you've decided what your video marketing strategy will look like, you'll need to start producing your videos. There are several different styles and formats of videos requiring varying levels of expertise, software, and equipment. We'll discuss a few of them below. First up, talking head. The talking head format involves sitting or standing in front of a camera to deliver your message. This is obviously the style most people are likely to shy away from, but it can be an extremely powerful way to deliver a message and create brand trust and familiarity. Any HD camera or even a high-quality webcam or smartphone camera will do. Ensure an excellent microphone is used, ideally a lapel mic, and make sure your lighting is optimal. Next up, there's the screen recording style. This simply involves using any screen capture software to record your screen while you demonstrate or explain a process or review a product or whatever it is you're doing for your video. Because the clarity of text is super important for these videos, you'll want to ensure you're recording at an optimal resolution. Also, since the only thing your audience will notice about you is your voice, you'll need to ensure you use high-quality audio equipment. After that, there's the slide presentation. A slide presentation style video is exactly what it sounds like. You're simply delivering a narrated presentation using your preferred slideshow software. When you're done, you'll simply export it as a video file, or alternatively, you can use a screen recording software and record yourself giving the presentation. As with the screen recording style, your audience will only have your voice to judge you by. So ensure your audio quality is as high as possible. After that, there's the explainer videos. Explainer videos have grown in popularity in recent years. These are fun, easy to follow, and usually quick-paced animated videos, explaining a product, process, or concept. These can be put together relatively easily with any explainer video software like Powtoon or GoAnimate. Finally, there's advanced videos. If you have the tools and skills necessary, you might create an advanced high production value video. These are robust, professional quality videos that can mix narration, talking head or interview format videos with high-quality stock footage and a catchy soundtrack. These require a little bit of editing skill and are usually outsourced to a professional. Now let's talk about tools. For talking head videos, any HD camera will do, including your smartphone or even a high-quality webcam, and you'll want to either memorize your script or use a teleprompter of some sort, such as the teleprompter apps that can be found for tablets on your App Store. An inexpensive set of studio lights wouldn't be a bad investment either. Don't bother with green screen or even white screen backdrops. These are overrated and very few people ever get them right after wasting a ton of time and money trying to get them set up. Your office or living room are perfectly fine backdrops. If you absolutely must use a backdrop, opt for the simpler white screen. Please don't waste your time trying to key in cool backgrounds on a green screen. For video and audio editing and post-production, you'll want good software suites like Adobe Premiere for video and Adobe Audition for audio. For screen recordings, a free screen capture software like Jing might be sufficient, but paid tools like Camtasia, Snagit, and Screencast-O-Matic tend to have higher video quality. For slide presentations, use any presentation software like PowerPoint and simply import your narration file or narrate in real time while recording the presentation. Explainer videos can be made very easily via online tools like Powtoon and GoAnimate. If you choose to use a narration, simply upload your audio file and ensure your animation syncs to the narration while creating it. Finally, for advanced videos like the ones discussed above, you'll want access to stock footage sites like VideoHive or VideoBlocks, and you'll likely be spending a lot of time editing in Adobe Premiere. The most important takeaway from this guide is that video marketing, although it may seem daunting to some, is actually within the grasp of everyone. Not only is it very possible, but it's arguably a critical part of business today if you're looking to keep up with your competition and grow your brand online. However, none of what you learned in this guide will count for anything if you don't take action and start applying it today. So, make a resolution to implement the battle plan below right away. Step 1. Develop a video content plan based on the information you've learned in this guide, including choosing which venues or platforms you'll be focusing on. Step 2. Acquire the necessary tools and begin producing your videos in whichever manner or style you feel comfortable with. Step 3. Utilize paid video advertising to gain leads, sales, or simply to jumpstart engagement with your organic video content. Step 4. Continue developing content on a regular basis and stay consistent with your video marketing plan.
In the next video, I am going to introduce you to YouTube marketing and why you need to use it. Did you know that when using YouTube videos in your email marketing, that over 90% of the people will open that email. Yes! Over 90% open rate, that's incredible. Please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I am creating new help videos so you can succeed in your efforts.